Larry Kloss with Max Home. We have over 15,000 satisfied customers, and that's a lot of bathrooms. And we get a lot of calls for every day who people want to change or fix their bathrooms. And one of the main reasons people call us is they're worried about their safety in the bathroom. The bathroom is the most dangerous room in the house. I think it's 370 people a day fall in or injured in their bathroom. And many of those people don't get to return home. They have to go to assisted living or somewhere else. And nobody wants that. At Max Home, we're certified aging in place specialists. We understand how important it is to have a safe bathroom. Look, it's not hard to see why the bathroom is the most dangerous place in the house. There's a lot of hard surfaces, okay? There's water, and you're trying to make a move. A traditional bathtub, God, having to step up over the lip of a traditional bathtub is hard. I had back surgery years ago, and I had to change out my bathtub because I couldn't get over that. So that's hard. That's why one of the most popular options for someone who's worried about safety in their bathroom or about future mobility issues, because look, no one's getting any younger, and a lot of people call us and they say, look, we just want to make it safe for the future. One of the most popular options is a walk-in shower. See, this one has about a 3-inch lip where you just go like that. We can design those with a smaller lip. We can design them with no lip if you want to wheel a wheelchair in. Another thing that is very popular for these is a seat, right? This makes it, not only does this make it incredibly safe to bathe, because one, you're sitting down, two, you can transfer from a walker or a wheelchair easier, but it's incredibly comfortable. A lot of people get these just because it's really nice to be able to have a seat in the shower. Other important aspects when you're designing this is your grab bars. Don't use a towel bar, right? People will grab onto their towel bar and it'll pull out, they'll fall, they'll use their shower curtain, their shower door. Those are not items that you want to rely on for your safety. Properly installed grab bars are, and more importantly, properly installed where you need them. When we come to someone's house, we're going to walk them through how they use their bathroom. We're going to put this where they need it to stand up, where they need it to get out, and completely custom design it for them. However many they need, wherever they need it. For instance, if you were taller, you might want it up here. Your valves, here's one at a shower height. We can also install them over here, so people can sit here and control their water with a shower head here and a shower head there. You have storage where you can put storage there. If that's too far, you can also put storage here. It's completely custom designed, and that's the kind of thing we can walk you through. That's why we're certified aging in place specialists, and we can help walk you through that entire process. And if you'd like to find out more, just go to maxhomenow.com.